guys? Yes, it is this cold outside. I'm freezing. I'm so cold. Like, I don't even know what degree it is out here, but I know it is probably like at least 20 degrees. What is up, you guys? How are you? I hope you guys are staying safe during the pandemic. If this is your first time here, welcome. I saw I got some new subscribers. Hi, people. I love you guys. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you. Yes, if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please join my family. I greatly appreciate it. And I genuinely love you guys. So thank you. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, all that good stuff. So it is the day after Christmas. What time is it? It's 8:10. I had saw some pillows and HomeGoods before Christmas, and I wanted to get it so bad, but I was just being cheap. But because I asked my mom to give me a comforter set, and now that I have the comforter set, I'm like, I need these goddamn pillows. Like, it's just so I need to go back and get those pillows, you guys. It's gonna haunt me. Comment below if you're like that. Like, comment below if you see something and you don't get it, and then it just stays on your mind until you actually go and get it. Like, that's just how I am. I'm so mad I have nowhere to put you guys because my brother broke that little thing and he has yet to give me another one. But I got some stuff I want to talk to you guys about. Like, I really do. And I feel like when I'm driving, I be bored sometimes, so it's the perfect time to just chat and drive. Chat and drive. Like, and I can't even do that with you guys right now. But that is okay. We're gonna make it work. We are gonna make it work. My Christmas was okay, you guys. I ain't get nothing crazy like everybody else, but it was beautiful. I love Christmas because it's always the spirit of giving for me. You guys are gonna fall. I got you sitting up on something. You guys are gonna fall, but you're gonna chill right there for a few. Yeah, so it's always the giving part that I love the most, because when you're giving, that means you're doing it from your heart. So I love Christmas. I know there's a whole lot of background story. Like, I saw some girls post about why she doesn't celebrate Christmas. I just don't understand. People have their preferences. Like, if you're a Christian or whatever you are, I don't know. Like, some people will celebrate Halloween, then be like, oh, I don't celebrate Christmas. Like, make up your mind. Okay? Which one is it? So, yeah. You guys, if you don't gotta go nowhere, don't go nowhere. This cold is real out here. It's like, I'm really freezing. I'm honestly, I never want to go to Dunkin' Donuts because I never want to wait. I never want to wait up and get out of the car. Like, I need to find a drive-through Dunkin' Donuts by my house, because oh shoot, I just got gift cards for Christmas and I'm not even about to use it. But you guys, there's a lot that I want to talk about. I'm sitting here chatting right now, but there's just some stuff that I just need to let out and put that in the atmosphere. You hear me? Because the way this world is set up, and what is, oh my gosh, you guys, last night Amir did not have any Pampers, and he didn't have any Pampers. It is so cold. He didn't have any Pampers, and I had like 2 left. And I'm like, what do I do? Do I just... Everything was closed. Every store was closed. It was Christmas. Every store was closed. And I didn't know what I was about to do. I'm like, he's gonna be freaking... I don't know. I was like, wow. Like, what if he... If he doo-doos, that's fine. Like, I don't know, y'all. So cold out here. Yes, I wear 2 masks. Yep, I wear 2 masks. I wear 2 masks. Y'all coming with me to Dunkin' Donuts, I guess. Y'all the only reason why I'm getting out this car and going, because if y'all wasn't here, I would not go. Straight up. Straight up. I cannot breathe with these 2 masks on, but I always put it on. Hi, can I get a medium coffee with caramel? A medium coffee with caramel almond milk? And I made it to HomeGoods, y'all. I know when I get my own place, I'm gonna live up in here, y'all. I'm gonna live up at HomeGoods. It's very quiet. I'm at Green Acres right now. Came at the right time, nobody's here. Love that. Good morning. So we have pillows. They're right over here. Oh my god, they're not here no more. This was one of them. And then there was another one. Let me see it. I'm so sad. I don't see it, you guys. Let me get a shopping cart. Okay, you guys, so I do not see the pillow that I came here for. There was another one. There's another pillow. This is so sad. Okay, I guess. Alright guys, I'll check with you in a few. Found it. I found it. How much is this? $20. I found it, guys. Okay. I'm happy. Okay, I went a little crazy. So you guys, this is the final look. I don't even know how this vlog became a, I guess, create my bedroom vlog, but I just want you to look at these details on this pillow. So this is how it's looking. So cute. cute. So cute. And I got this little bed desk, because I have no space for another desk in my room. Like, this is it. It's just me and Amir, so it's really tight in here. And I also picked up this because I thought it would be useful for my back when I'm, you know, typing, because I got the worst back pain ever, y'all. So I don't even know how this vlog became a bed decor vlog, but whatever. This is so cute. It's super cute. I love it. Let's just look over here, like what's inside my room. Yes, this is what's inside my room vlog. So I got this planner because I always like canceling plans. So like I'll be like down, but then like I don't want to go, you know. So I'd be tired, like that's serious. This is also from HomeGoods, y'all. So, and I just started writing in it as well. This mirror I got, I hope y'all can't see me because I am so naked. Okay, this mirror I got from, I don't even know. I can't even lie to you guys. I don't know. These are some Morphe brushes in here. These pens, I don't know, my sister got it for me. This picture, you guys, I was 21. It's for my 21st birthday. I was living the best life. Just some Bath and Body Works spray. I love vanilla, like any type of vanilla bean smell. I love it. So, yep. And also the champagne toast. Like, this is like that boyfriend, like, lust you type of perfume, like body mist. Like, no lie, that's that boyfriend want to like love you, kiss on you, like you just be so sweet, he want to eat you. This is that type of Also, I got some, I don't really use this, but I had like the bottle, like how it looks so classy, that I just got it. It doesn't smell that bad either. Cactus Blossom. So, oh, look at my eyelashes. Hey, you guys. Oh, I messed them up. I'm sad. Okay. So, this is my little collection of lip gloss. I'm really trying to grow my collection, but I haven't bought any lip gloss, and I lost a couple of them, so I'm a little sad about that. And I got both of these little pouches from Primark. I'm sure they're not there anymore, but like Primark has the best accessories. Just some makeup in there, not much. Also, this I got from this set. This set and this set I got from Burlington. I just got a little bit of accessories in there. I'm not really a jewelry person, so yeah, that is what's on my little that's what's called a nightstand, my little nightstand. And just ignore those dirty clothes, you guys. This is my closet. Amir kicked me out of my closet, so this is my clothes. I tried to like color coordinate them, so it's like blacks, grays, neutrals, a little mix with the browns, the UGG color. Then I got my reds, then my greens, and then my blues. So just try to mix it up. I got a little bit of shoes up there. Then I got my jeans down here. I have a lot of jeans, you guys. I'm obsessed with jeans. Again, don't look at my we're gonna get into Amir's size another day, because Amir's side is like a hot mess. This is one little thing that I got there. I have from his party, you guys, I have the sign that I want to just put on the wall right here, you know, just to both like create Okay, yeah, just to create a little theme concept for him. But soon, y'all, I will be out of here. Yes, manifesting that into 2021. Yep, I'm loving this. So I just picked up all these. So this bed set, you guys, is from Target, and it came with this pillow and this pillow and this pillowcase. So when I was at HomeGoods, I was like, yo, and I'm looking at it, I'm like, yo, these pillows, I saw these 3, I think. I'm like, yo, these pillows would match my bed so well. And I'm just like, Bianca, don't get it, you don't need it. And then when I put my bed set up, I was like, oh no, I need those pillows. So yeah, I'm loving it, you guys. But we shall talk in a few. Hope you guys like this little vid.